Right, can we look at 20 now? Find the surface area of the rooftop. May I ask how many surfaces are there? 4. Who say got 5 surface? 4. 5. 4. 4, so 4 surface. So where are the 4 surface? Basically the 4 triangle, 4 triangle. Now, so I look at this, now, can you box up the word square pyramid? Square pyramid means the AB and BC, is it the same line? No. Yes. Square pyramid means yes. That means this is 6. This one is also 6. This is also 6 and 6. So all are 6. Then what is the 5 here? The 5 here is actually the slant height. The slant height, the slant length. Can follow? Can follow? Now my question, I want to find out one triangle. So I want to find out one triangle. Can everyone draw this triangle here? Like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Can everyone fill in the length for us? Fill in the length for us. What length do you know? Draw as well, Isabel. What length do you know? Do you know the 6? The 6 is the bottom. Do you know the 5? 5 is the side. How about the other side? Also 5. Can follow? Now what kind of triangle is this? Isosceles. Now isosceles, there's a secret property. Can I tell you the secret? So what is the secret property? Listen, only for isosceles triangle, if you drop a vertical line down, alright, it will cut into 2 equal parts. So can you write down the secret property? When you draw a perpendicular line down, it will cut to 2 equal parts. Can I have the length of that part? 3 and 3. Okay. Now, the diagram already labeled for you. The diagram labeled this point as M. So I also label this point as M. Question. How do I find this area triangle? Length times base times height. What is the height? Must use Pythagoras theorem to find. Now clearer? So how do I use Pythagoras theorem? I will write down 5 square equals to 3 square plus Vm square. Vm is equals to 4. 4. Just 4. Right? So now I'm able to calculate area of triangle. Half times 6 times 4, 12. How many triangles do I have? 4, right? So total surface area 4 times the triangle. I have this. Is that okay? Huh? Oh, meter. Is that okay? Okay, Now, can I now go through the next one? Volume. So I look at this triangle. I'm interested in the volume. I cover volume. Volume equals to mass divided by density. Can follow? Mass divided by density. So I write mass divided by density. So what is the mass? 3120. What is the density? 2.6. Can I have a number? 1,200. Exact, So what does this mean? Look, This is the volume. This is the number. This is the volume. This is the algebra. Are they equal? They must be equal, right? So this is equal to this. This is equal to that. Now, can you suggest what to do next? What should you do?
Make one side 0.
Expand. Make one side 0 is correct. You want to expand?
Expand first.
You want to divide also can. Which one? Because there's a 2 here. I can divide the 2 over, right? But I expand also can. So I expand first. Now, you notice straight away I collapse the 3 brackets into 2 brackets. Because 2 brackets is easier for me to expand out. Chloe, is that correct? So 2 bracket means 2x times x will give you 2x squared. So this is 2x squared. What about 2x times 10? 20x. Move the other side as over as minus.
0.
I have something like that. Hey, still look different, eh? Got problem. Still got problem. Still look different, eh? Divide by 2 the entire thing, right? So everything divided by 2. 2x divided by 2 will be x squared. So this is x squared plus 10x minus 600 equals to 0. Proven. Danish, shouldn't you divide by 2 on 0? Huh? 0 divided by 2 is still 0. Okay, good. Now, now you are ready. Now B, find the dimension. Dimension means what? I want to find the length equals to what? The breadth equals to what? The height equals to what? So what must I do here? What must I do here? I must find the value of x. That means I must use cross factorization. Is it easy?
Yes, very easy. Is x minus 20, x plus 30.
Right, I'm done. So x minus 20, x plus 30. Are you familiar how to simplify here? So I say the first bracket equals to 0. Morgans, do your job. Then you find the value of x. Do you have to reject 1?
Yes.
Which one do you reject?
Negative number.
Alright, you reject because it's negative. But I cannot stop here. I need to find the dimension. So what's the dimension? The breadth is what?
The breadth is equals to 10. 20 minus 10.
But the length is equals to,
30.
right? Daryl, they say the breadth is x. So the x is 20 means the breadth is 20. They also say the length is 10 cm longer. So that's why it's 30. Okay, so this is the x. This is the 10 cm longer than breadth. Right, I stop the